Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving into a quick tutorial on how to set up a Trello card as a meeting agenda. First off, log in to your Trello account and navigate to your desired board. Now, this is important because every Trello board represents a project, and you want to ensure you're organizing your meeting agendas under the right project. Next up, click on Add Another Card to create a new card. The reason we're doing this is because each card in Trello represents an item or task. In this case, it's going to be our meeting agenda. Now that we've done that, give your card a clear title, like Marketing Team Meeting Agenda, Jan 30th. It's crucial to be specific here because it helps your team members easily identify the agenda. Now click on the card to open it and use the description box to outline your meeting agenda. You can list the topics you'll be discussing, attendees, and any preparation required. This helps us because it centralizes all the information in one place, making it accessible and easy to follow. Don't forget to attach any relevant documents or images by clicking on the Attach File button. This matters because it ensures all necessary materials are readily available for your team. Finally, set a due date for your meeting by clicking on the Due Date button. This is important because it reminds your team about the upcoming meeting and helps them to prepare. Let me explain why this matters. Using Trello cards as meeting agendas is a game changer. It improves organization, enhances communication, and ensures everyone's on the same page. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively set up a Trello card as a meeting agenda. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, staying organized is the key to success. Until next time.